Out to breakfast with my hubby. Love you. All right. I think I'm gonna order this. What you think, honey?
I thought you did.
Oh yeah, I did. Yeah. Look at these lights. It's so pretty. Fresh farm to table. This is pretty cool.
Yeah.
Real ketchup made from premium tomatoes. Enjoy. I want to do they make it themselves.
Hey.
Oh my God, it's pretty, just like the picture.
It's got the condensation and everything.
It's water. Very good. Very good choice. Ooh, look at that. Oh my God, it's so good. That was really good. I'm a coffee person. Honey, what you got?
Purple haze.
Purple haze. Oh my God, what you got, baby?
A chimichanga.
That thing is delicious. It look good. Let me see.
Potato.
Ooh, how's some seasoned potatoes? Oh my God.
I ain't got season, man.
Oh my God. Breakfast tacos. I am not gonna be able to finish all of this, but this looks delicious. How is your, what is it called? Chicken changa? What's on the inside? Can I see? Oh my God. Let me zoom in. Oh, that looks good. Oh my God. What was this called? Farm stand breakfast taco. Yeah. Got my avocado. I love avocado. Yum. Until next time and the next adventure, make sure that you subscribe for more notifications.